In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Xero bank feed in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Xero or you've been using it for a while, staying on top of your bank transactions is crucial for your business's financial health. Let's dive in and get those bank feeds updated. First things first, let's head over to Xero. If you're not already on the page, simply open up your favorite web browser and type in Xero's web address. This will take you to the home page of Xero, where you'll begin the process of updating your bank feeds. Once you're on the Xero homepage, your next step is to log into your account. To do this, look for the login button, which you'll find located in the top right corner of the page. It's easily identifiable, so you shouldn't miss it. Clicking on this will take you to the login page. Now it's time to enter your credentials. You'll be prompted to type in your email address and password associated with your Xero account. Make sure you enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. These are the keys to your financial data, so keep them secure and don't share them with anyone you don't trust completely. After you've entered your email and password, go ahead and click on the login button. This action will grant you access to your Xero dashboard, which is the control center for all your accounting and financial operations within Xero. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here you'll find a comprehensive overview of your financial situation. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're focusing on the bank feed, so navigate to your business bank account by looking for the dashboard section that displays your accounts. Locate your business bank account details on this dashboard. You'll see 3 dots or an options menu somewhere in this section. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. We're interested in one option, in particular, today. Refresh feed, go ahead and select Refresh feed from the drop-down menu. This action will prompt Xero to update your bank feed by fetching the most recent transactions from your bank. However, before we move forward, it's essential to note a couple of things. First, not all banks support the manual refreshing of feeds. The availability of the refresh feed option depends on your bank's integration with Xero and how they choose to send transaction data. If you don't see the option to refresh your feed, it's likely because your bank provides transactions automatically at set intervals. Also, the availability of the refresh feed feature can vary from one bank to another. Some banks might have restrictions or different processes for updating the bank feed, so if you're ever in doubt, it's a good idea to check directly with your bank or consult Xero's support documentation to understand how your bank's feed works. In cases where the refresh feed is available and you've selected it, Xero will attempt to retrieve and update your transaction data from your bank. This process usually takes just a few moments, but it's dependent on a successful connection between Xero and your bank. After the feed is refreshed, you'll be able to see the most recent transactions listed in your account, ensuring that your financial records are up to date. Updating your Xero bank feed is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can ensure that your financial records reflect the most current information, allowing you to make informed decisions based on the latest data. Of course, if you encounter any issues or have specific questions related to your bank's integration with Xero, reaching out to Xero's customer support or consulting your bank for guidance can provide you with tailored assistance. And that's a wrap on updating your Xero bank feed. Keeping your financial transactions up to date is crucial for maintaining accurate records and making data-driven decisions for your business. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. Remember, staying proactive about your finances is key to business success. Happy accounting, and see you in the next video.